How do you add a video to a live stream, whether you want to play an intro video or a video clip during the live stream? I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to make this happen. Let's do it. I'm Sarah Nguyen, and on this channel I help you grow your business using video on social media with ease. And in this live stream tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a fail-proof way to play your videos during your live stream, whether that's on Facebook Live, YouTube Live, or any other live streaming platform. The live stream software that I'm using today is Restream, and they've built a great live streaming platform, and I've been using them for the last year. They've got free and paid plans, and you can sign up using my link in the description if you'd like another $10 discount to try them out. It doesn't matter if you're on a Mac or a PC, you can use Restream Live Studio to live stream from your web browser, and you don't need a souped up computer unlike other live stream software providers. Once you've logged into Restream and added your destinations, you can access the Restream Live Studio by selecting the Enter Live Studio button over here. So there are a couple of ways that you can play videos once you are in Restream's Live Studio. And the first way is to go to the Graphics tab on the top right hand corner here, and then you'll see in the video section that they have a set of pre-existing videos that you can use. So there are some countdown timers and there are some animated videos, and if you wanted to use them, you would simply click on them and it would start to play on your actual live stream. So that's one way of adding video to the live stream, is to use the existing videos that Restream already have provided for you. And the video will play into completion unless you select the hide button, and then that will end the playing of the video. The second way to play videos is obviously to add your own. So to do that, we are still in the graphics section and in the video section. And what you want to do is to select this plus icon, and this will allow you to upload videos from your computer into Restream so that you can play it. So you would simply select upload, and then you would select the video, and then you would open it. Once the video has finished uploading, it will appear in this video section here. You need to note that the video format needs to be MP4, and it needs to be no larger than 150 megabytes. Once the video has finished uploading, then you would simply, like their pre-existing videos, select the video that you want to play to show it, and it will appear in the live stream. And then the cool thing is that you can also play around with the video layout. So I can choose to select spotlight so that I have the video in the bottom right hand corner. I can also choose to have it side by side so that it's sharing half of the screen with me, and I can also choose to just get rid of it altogether, all by playing with the toggle settings in my camera feed section here. And the third way that you could play a video during the live stream is to simply upload it directly from your computer. So if we go down to this little play local video icon here, so it's where you have that little clapper video icon. If we select that, we can upload a video and then play it directly on the live stream. So I'm going to go open, and this will play. As you can see, it's appeared on the right hand side here. Once I select this toggle icon, it will add it to the stream and start playing the video immediately. So I don't have to wait for it to upload. I can play it directly from my computer, and that's another way that you can add videos to the live stream. And just like the other videos, I can play around with the size, whether I want to make it larger and make myself picture in picture, or I want it just to be full screen as well. These settings here allow you to do that, and once the video finishes playing, it will simply stop and return back to your camera feed. If you found this video useful, hit the like button for me and let me know in the comments section below what other live stream tutorials you'd like to learn about. I'd love to make these videos for you. And in the meantime, why don't you check out my handy dandy Restream playlist, or grab a copy of my Facebook Live cheat sheets. It's a super simple way to get up and streaming on Facebook Live, even if you've never hit record before. Check them out by clicking on the screen, and I will see you in the next video.